Okay, so I couldn't really figure out a good way to take pictures, so I'm taking a video instead. So this is the outside of the trailer. Yeah. So I'm gonna, the last thing that I want to do is waste anybody's time, so I'm gonna try to explain what I want as well as possible. So, and the lighting kind of sucks right now. Oh no. So this is the bathroom. I honestly don't really care what goes on in the bathroom, except that the shower, I kind of think that the shower needs to move there and the sink needs to move here. I think that that will allow for more room in the shower, but if there's a way to make the shower bigger, that's basically the ultimate goal of the bathroom. And just aesthetically, there's not, it's just really plain Jane. I also thought about maybe getting rid of this wall here and making the bathroom bigger that way. This wall measures, I think it was like 6 inches or something like that. But so that's one option. But the other thing about the bathroom was oh, I don't remember now. Sorry. The bathroom isn't like my main focus for this. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say I wanted to put maybe if we move the bathroom over and then put a closet in here somehow, because this is literally the only like quote-unquote closet space, and it's really small. I don't know if you can tell how small it is, but it's basically like maybe 2 feet or maybe a foot. I'm not quite sure. So my hand's about 8 inches, so it's about a foot. So okay, these bunk beds, I don't use them, so I wanted to make more efficient use out of this space. I end up using them for storage. The hot water heater is under here on this left side, and it's a 5-gallon water heater, and I was thinking that that could actually be moved over here, because that would allow for more space over there. But there is a water tank under here, and it's pretty big, but I don't end up, it's just, I might be able to get away with one that's a different size. But my biggest like thing that I want done is the kitchen and the bed space. So if you can tell, if you can see from basically this really poor lighting, there's literally 3 cabinets for the kitchen, like 1, 2, well, I mean 6 if you want to count them like that. And then there's this weird, awkward, random pantry type thing here. It's like falling apart. The drawers hardly open. Whoever did this didn't do a very good job. This is where like a furnace was or is. I mean, the furnace still works. I just need to rewire the electric. And then the fridge, obviously. But so I was thinking is that the sink can get moved over here, which would make sense for the hot water heater and the tanks to be over there. Issue is gonna, so that's one of the things that I would like to do. And then centering the oven so that I can have some storage space here. And then also I want storage space here. So you can tell that there's like room for like a cabinet that could fit, you know, cans. Like it's like the perfect size for like cans and jars and stuff. So that would work. That would be really simple. not really simple, but that would work well with the way that I do my life here. I do want the fridge to still be the same size. I don't know if it needs to move or not. I think I want to get a new oven. There's like a lot of rust underneath here, and it's kind of looks like it is due for replacing. And then so the cabinets are definitely a big thing. And then so another thing that I wanted to do was here I wanted I'm gonna send some pictures, but there's like these like cabinets that go like stairs kind of. I think that would make more sense. And again, it's efficient use of the space is like my biggest like question. You can see that there's no cabinets up here at all. I have these little things that I store my stuff in. So I would like some cabinets up here. And again, I don't care what size they are or anything like that. I just want to make efficient use of the space. The lights, I definitely want a switch instead of having, to go over here and, turn on every single light whenever you need it. Which this one doesn't even really work very well. So that's my biggest, those are a couple of my things that I want addressed. I would like, I don't know if it's gonna work out this way, but I would like something here to kind of separate the bed area from the kitchen. I think, and then I also want something here to slide out to prepare food on. There's no food prep space, and I do a lot of cooking and food prep. I'm a foodie, so you can see like my food dehydrator and stuff. These are storage things that are like work, and here's the breaker box and stuff. I'm sure I forgot something, but I figured that this would be a good start about this project. And I'm gonna probably need to re-record this video because it's very dark and I didn't really organize my thoughts very well. I've been up since like 4 a.m. trying to get ready for going out of town. So but here, yeah, so that's pretty much it. There's a couple like random things on Pinterest that I found that I think would work really well with, my lifestyle that I was gonna include. It would be nice to keep the couch. I don't need to keep the couch, but I would like there to be an additional, that's what I was gonna do with the beds actually. There's a picture on Pinterest of beds that were made that are kind of triangle shaped. I'm sorry for all the stuff that's here. And I think that would work well with making the bathroom bigger and still having an additional sleeping space and having more storage space. So I think that's what I was gonna do. But one thought that I had was making a bed here that collapsed down. I've seen that on Pinterest. I don't know how feasible it would be because of the dimensions of my trailer, but that was an option. But those are definitely some of the things. Awesome. Well, I hope that this was kind of enlightening and not too disorganized. But I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.